The Redmi Note 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be a highly anticipated mid-range powerhouse, with expected features that reflect Xiaomi's push for premium specs at competitive pricing. It's rumored to sport a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and fluid scrolling. Under the hood, the device may be powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, ensuring solid performance for gaming and multitasking. Camera-wise, it's likely to include a versatile triple-camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, ultra-wide, and macro lenses for detailed and dynamic shots. The battery is expected to be a generous 6,200 mAh unit, supported by blazing fast 100W charging, which could fully recharge the phone in under an hour. Storage and RAM options may go up to 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, catering to power users. Running on Android 14 with MIUI on top, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Max could offer a sleek, feature-rich user experience. While these details are based on leaks and speculation, they paint a promising picture of what could be one of the most value-packed releases in its segment.